Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making this paper mache red truck using all Dollar Tree items. For this project, we're going to be using this tinseled truck from the Dollar Tree. You're just going to start by removing all of the tinsel from the frame.
On the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Once all the tinsel is removed, you're just going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to start cutting off all the little notches along the edge. You want to have a clean edge, so just go around and make sure you get all the ones on the outside. The ones in the middle are fine, you can leave those. It won't end up mattering in the end.
In my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long. We're gonna dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Once that's done, it's time to start paper macheing. I just used a roll of toilet paper, some of this glue from the Dollar Tree. I added just about 2 tablespoons of water to the bowl and dumped the entire container of glue into it and mixed it all up. And then here is where it gets extremely messy. You just kind of have to mess with it. I tried several different methods and I found in the end the one that worked the best for me was just picking up the piece of toilet paper and using my hands to kind of smear the glue on. You'll see me doing it here in just a second. But honestly, just play with it, mess around, see what works the best for you. But you're just gonna layer tons of toilet paper over the top of it until you get the shape that you like. It will be extremely wet, so you're gonna wanna let it go ahead and dry for a good 24 hours. now that it's completely dry, I'm just going to add a layer of base paint. I chose to do white right here. The white is the only one that I use that's actually a Dollar Tree paint, but Dollar Tree now carries a bunch of different color in the paint. I already had a bunch of paint on hand, so you'll see me using that. But to make this a 100% Dollar Tree project, you can definitely use the Dollar Tree paint, but again, I just didn't want to spend money if I didn't have to, so you'll see me using some paint that is not Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to put down the base color for the truck, which is red, and then I'm going to put down the base color for the tree, which is green. I didn't end up using the wheels that originally came on this. I ended up just cutting out a couple pieces of cardstock and then I paper mache'd over the cardstock, and I'm just painting them black, and you'll see how I attach them here in a little bit. I just thought this was the easier route to go than to try to paper mache what it originally came with. It would just be too difficult. So I think this worked out just fine. What I'm going to do after I paint these wheels is I'm going to start adding on some details to the truck, and eventually I will go back with a paint pen and make the details just a little bit better.
it's Christmas. Oh, you keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Why you left something for me, yeah, under the Christmas tree. Baby, go home tonight. Oh, let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. I try to figure this out, but I never could. Oh, baby, come home tonight. Let me hold and squeeze you tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath.
And for the last step, I'm going to attach the wheels. I just took 2 pieces of cardstock, folded them over, and now I'm just gluing them to the back of the truck. That way I can create a base to glue the wheels to from the front side. I think that this method worked out so much easier than if I would have used the original wheels, so I would highly recommend this method if you end up going this route.
You're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for.
Alright you guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And don't forget, if you do try this project, be sure to tag me on Instagram. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!